Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Pepe. We're going to be analyzing the charts, see what is the news today and what is up with the price. So if you guys are enjoying these daily updates, you guys continue liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I will continue bringing you guys the latest and greatest Pepe updates. So if we're looking at the price right now, there is still about 5 zeros in front of the price. We're currently sitting at 161, down about 9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 8% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $675 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $227.6 million. And of course, if we're shifting our focus towards their Twitter account, you guys can see slowly but surely it is headed to that 300,000 follower mark. And imagine a project really gaining that much traction within the community in just a matter of a month. That is huge. So that is a big plus point. New community members coming on a daily basis, and of course that is something we do want to analyze when we are looking at the charts. If we do see a stagnance in the growth of Pepe's Twitter account, that shows that less interest is coming, but that's not the case. We're seeing new followers, thousands and thousands of new followers coming on a daily basis, so that is of course a good thing to point out. And if we're looking at the holder count, guys, you guys can see this for yourself. 115,000 holders. Despite a little bit of a consolidation and a correction happening, we are seeing the holder count increasing as days go by, and another big plus point right now, despite a little bit of a correction that we're seeing happening within the price of Pepe. But you know what we're here for? We're here for the price and see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So let's waste no more time and get right into it. As always, guys, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's look at the bigger picture to really see what has been going on for Pepe over yesterday. So we did see that initial breakthrough that I was talking about for Pepe, but we never managed to get back up to that level of resistance. This was the resistance that we really wanted to see happen, which was 2072 cents mark, but we never really managed to get there because, again, where we got stopped out, there is still quite a bit of resistance around that mark. So of course that plays as a level of resistance. And since then, guys, since yesterday, we did see a retracement of about 16.89%, so quite a significant drop. And now you may be saying that is absolutely crazy. Why are we seeing such a massive drop happening with Pepe? Of course, Bitcoin has seen once again a little bit of a retracement within its price, because you guys know Bitcoin is battling to stay in the 61.8, and that's the main focus of the bulls to do so, and the bears are so far winning to keep the price in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So a lot of volatility in Bitcoin price, which is causing altcoins right now across the board to really have their fun getting away right off the bat. You guys can see over the last 24 hours, a lot of altcoins are in red. So you guys get the picture as to what I'm trying to say. Reason as to why Pepe has got, has gone down more compared to other altcoins is because it was making massive moves compared to other altcoins. It was up about 25%. So you guys can tell, the coins that do tend to move up faster and more, when the retracement does come about, they will retrace more. And remember, it's a meme coin. Meme coins generally do tend to get hit harder compared to altcoins. So that is of course the case as to why we have seen a little bit of retracement within its price. But one thing I want to show you guys is this. Let's zoom into the hourly and show you guys where we got stopped out. So before, remember when we were breaking towards the upside, trying to knock on this level of resistance, and now that same level of resistance is playing as a level of support for Pepe. You cannot make this up, guys. These lines that are drawn across the charts that I do, they're not just random lines on board and I'm just drawing across the board. These are proper levels of supports and resistances, and right now you cannot make this up. On our way down, we are being supported by that level of support, which is a good thing to see. What I'm really liking right now, a lot of people, guys, I understand everyone wants to see those explosive moves. Everyone wants to see Shiba Inu get knocked out by Pepe tomorrow. No, but that takes time, guys. That takes patience and time. And I know a lot of you understand what patience is, why patience is so important. Because imagine, look at it from this point of view. Imagine if we had no patience and everything just went as how we wanted it to go. Wouldn't we all be super wealthy? that's not how it works. There always has to be a loser that is involved. So there's winners and losers, and that's just how the market works. There's never going to be only winners, but on our channel we want to be the ones that are the winners. So in order for you to have that winning mentality, I've always said, always invest what you can afford to lose, always do your due diligence and research when you are investing, and if you have done that, patience is your number one key to follow. And I strongly believe Pepe has made itself as the next big meme coin for this cycle, and it is on its way to get to that Shiba Inu spot. And do I see that happening? I definitely see that happening, but along the way we will see hurdles coming in the way, and I want you guys to be okay with that. If you're not okay with that, I'm sorry guys, then I honestly don't know what to tell you. Maybe crypto isn't for you, because not everything goes explosive right off the bat. Of course, if the project is new, you could see a project go absolutely insane, but 99.9% of the meme coins are all rugs, which means they're going to go to zero eventually. So you need to time this market properly. You need to invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your due diligence. And if that's the case, patience is going to be your number one key. And when you see profits, lock those profits in. And I cannot stress this enough. I saw a comment coming in the other day. They said they were sitting at about $200,000 profit at the top, and now they are nowhere near that $200,000 profit. And of course, the person's kicking themselves. And again, this is what I tell you. We generally tend to think like this. When we're sitting at those moves, okay, you know what? If it goes double once more, because the momentum is there, I'm gonna be sitting at 400,000 profit. So that's just how the brain works, and you do not want to do that, because remember, your brain does not control who else is going to take profits before you. So you want to really implement that strategy in your overall crypto journey, because we're here to make profits, and you do not want to be just holding on and forgetting all those profits that you do tend to see. So of course, right now we are consolidating, being supported by that level of support, which is exactly what we want to be seeing happen. Of course, we're going to see a lot of hurdles coming up on the way, but main target is still the 61.8. I'm sorry, not the 61.8. The main target is still this massive level of resistance, which is at that 207 cents mark. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we are currently about 30% away from that. And sooner rather than later, we will retest that zone, in my opinion. But right now, remember, Bitcoin is showing quite a bit of volatility within its price, so we do need to keep that factor in mind. But one positive thing I will tell you guys is that Pepe has really stayed above that $600 million market valuation, and really held a very strong around here, and that is also a positive thing that you guys want to see. If we just trade sideways even for a week and a half around here, that would be really good, because that means the strength around this zone is only getting stronger than ever. And when we do go towards the upside, and Pepe were to retrace, that $600 million market valuation support will be huge. So I'm really liking what I'm seeing with Pepe. Am I worried? Absolutely not. This is part of the cycle. If you guys were here for Shiba Inu early beginnings, you guys know what happened, and there was stagnant price movements with Shiba Inu as well, and then it exploded, and we haven't even seen the altcoin season begin. And I really do believe Coinbase will list Pepe, but again, that's just my own personal opinion. But the amount of community members that are really requesting Coinbase to list this, they can't miss this opportunity. But I do believe they will list this eventually, and of course that is going to open a bigger door than a lot of people know of. So everything is going as planned. I like what I'm seeing. Of course, the bullish scenario would be is to break past that level of resistance, but right now we might see a little bit of shakiness happen due to Bitcoin. But overall, I like what I'm seeing. But that is it for today's update. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.